Hey guys, what's going on? Joshi here. So today, my Samsung Galaxy A30, I just did a factory reset. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, my A30. Now we on the welcome screen. Selamat datang means welcome. So let's go. So let's get started. Tick all, next. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Checking for updates. Just a few moments. Don't copy. Accept, skip anyway. I will download them later. Okay, getting your phone ready. Next, skip. You're all set up. Finish. Another loading. Later. Yes. And we already reached the brand new home screen for the first time after a factory reset. Very nice. So before I end this video, you can give your feedback for my Samsung Galaxy A30. I just did a factory reset and set it up together in the comment below. So that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.